Welcome to Laribe Tech. Today, we have something truly special to unbox and review. It's the Oppo Find X6 Pro, the latest flagship smartphone from Oppo that promises to deliver an unparalleled smartphone experience. Let's dive in and explore what this device has to offer. Just look at this beauty. The Oppo Find X6 Pro features a sleek and premium design with its curved edges, glossy glass back, and metal frame. It's a real stunner. The display on the Find X6 Pro is absolutely stunning. It boasts a massive 6.78-inch QHD plus AMOLED LTPO display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The visuals are incredibly crisp, and the scrolling is buttery smooth. It's a joy to use. One of the highlights of the Oppo Find X6 Pro is its advanced camera system. It features a quad-lens setup with a 50MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera, a 13MP telephoto camera, and a dedicated 3MP macro camera. The camera performance is outstanding, delivering jaw-dropping photos with excellent detail and dynamic range. The camera capabilities of the Find X6 Pro are truly next level, allowing you to capture stunning photos in any situation. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 8 series chipset, paired with ample RAM and storage. This ensures lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking, even with the most demanding apps and games. Gaming on the Find X6 Pro is a breeze, thanks to its top-of-the-line hardware and optimized software. The Find X6 Pro runs on Oppo's latest ColorOS 14, based on Android 13, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. It also comes with a range of features such as the Oppo Relax app, which provides relaxation exercises and ambient sounds for stress relief, and the Oppo Share app, which allows for easy file sharing between Oppo devices. Oppo has truly outdone themselves with the software on the Find X6 Pro, providing a user-friendly and feature-rich experience. In terms of battery life, the Oppo Find X6 Pro won't disappoint. It comes with a sizable 4,500 mAh battery that can easily last a full day of heavy use. Plus, it supports Oppo's SuperVOC 4.0 fast charging technology. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel for more tech videos.